What's the logic behind Python's hash function order? As we know, some of Python's data structures use hash tables for storing items like set or dictionary. So there is no order in these objects. But it seems that, for some sequences of numbers, that's not true. For example, consider the following examples. But it isn't sorted if we make a small change. So the question is, how does Python's hash function work on integer sequences?
Although there are a lot of questions and so about hash and its order, but no one of them explains the algorithm of hash function. So all you need here is know that how Python calculate the indices in hash table. If you go through the hashtable.c file in Python source code, you'll see the following lines in _py_hashtable_set function, which shows the way Python calculate the index of hash table keys. So as the hash value of integers is the integer itself, except for -1, the index is based on the number and the length of your data structure, height, num_buckets, 1, and it calculated with bitwise in between, height, num_buckets, 1, and the number. Now consider the following example with set that use hashtable. For number 33 we have that actually it's the hash function for class int.
이거 없으면 이거 세상 안